Alright, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Kimberly. Make sure you subscribe, that way you can get all the tips and tricks on different hair products, skincare products, and makeup products that I check out and I review and give you my 2 cents. So today we're going to talk about the best conditioners for damaged hair. So if you have dry hair, your hair just is lifeless no matter how you style it, it's not cooperating, it can't hold a curl, you've trimmed the ends but you don't understand why your hair is still not working with you, it's because you need to try these conditioners. So make sure you keep watching so I can tell you why these conditioners are awesome. So although I am not a professional hairstylist, esthetician, any of the above, cosmetologist, I have a lot of experience with hair products because over the years I've just tried so many things, I've learned so many things about my hair, and from that knowledge I've been able to come up with different tips and tricks to make sure that my hair stays beautiful. So one thing I definitely learned is that you have to have a balance in terms of using conditioners of moisture and protein. Now a lot of people, we know about the moisture part where we'll find deep conditioning mask and moisture mask and all kinds of products that are going to moisturize our hair. But the part that we end up leaving out is the protein piece. So we really need to make sure we're doing those deep conditioners with treatments that do have protein in them, so that way they can help to keep our hair strong. And oftentimes if you haven't been doing protein deep conditioning treatments, the first time you do one, your hair will feel like the best hair in the world because that's really that key ingredient, so it's missing. So in terms of a protein deep conditioner, I would recommend ApHogee Serious Care and Protection Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. So I got this, it was about $8.99. Well, that's what the sticker says, $8.99 at my local beauty supply store. And it says add strength and softness in one quick step, effective against heat and chemical damage. pH optimized, contains exclusive propylthymine complex. So I say all that to say this. Basically the way you use this is you wash your hair as desired, and my next conditioning product is going to be a cleanser, so I'll talk about that. But you just wash your hair. After you wash your hair, get all the product that you wash it with out, and then you put this in your hair. So I would say that I probably put like a good amount, like $2 half a dollar size, half a dollar, like that much, 2 globs of that in my hand. Rub it the first time to get like the front half of my head, and then I use the second amount for the mid lengths to the end. Rub it, massage it through, make sure it's evenly through, and then I put a cap on. Leave the cap on for like 15-20 minutes. I mean, it says that this is a 2-minute constructor, but of course in the directions it does say that for extreme cases leave it for 5 minutes for severe breakage problems. And so, not that my breakage was severe, but my hair was really dry, so I did leave it for closer to 5 to 7 minutes. And then I rinse it out, and once you rinse it out, your hair is incredibly soft and manageable and easy to detangle, and you lose less hair in combing it and styling it, air drying it, whatever your method of styling is. You end up losing less hair, having less shedding, and your hair is really strong and shiny and beautiful. So definitely I recommend this. I know that a lot of ApHogee products have like that message where it's like ApHogee is only for hair professionals. This is definitely something you can use at home. I don't think it's any stronger chemical than an average deep conditioner, but this stuff will really bring your hair back to life. Again, that's ApHogee's Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. Okay, so the next conditioner product I'm going to talk about is Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Nourishing Co-Wash with sweet almond and avocado oils for all curl types. So this is a cleansing conditioner. Again, this was $13.99, but it's really big. It's 16 ounces of product, so it's kind of worth it. It smells amazing, just like avocado and almond and sweet goodness, so I really love the smell. But the reason why I want to say this is for damaged hair is because it is so moisturizing and cleansing at the same time. Now a lot of people, you might still be on the shampoo bus, but you need to get off at the next stop because shampoo is definitely stripping and destroying your hair. For a long time I was using shampoo, and then I ended up having to use so many different deep conditioning treatments to get my hair soft and moist and full of body again. But once I stopped washing with shampoo, it really just made the quality of my hair 100 times better. I do have dry scalp and I do have dandruff, so for those of you who were like, no, I have too much dandruff on my scalp, I need to use shampoo to get it really clean. No, you don't. Cleansing conditioner will clean. If you get a good cleansing conditioner, it will clean all that stuff out too. That's why I really like this Design Essential one, because you can just massage your scalp and then you're done. If you part your scalp and look, you won't see any dandruff, any flakes, any even wet flakes out of traps. It lifts everything up and cleans your scalp. So, and it leaves your hair really moist and able to, easier to style. So that way when you do that deep conditioning step, it's not like your hair is like stuck together and really dehydrated still. Like, it brings that life and moisture back to your hair. So that's why I really love this cleansing conditioner. So if you have damaged hair, you need to go get this. So again, thank you so much for watching. These are the conditioners. Like I said, for every once in a while, my hair, it'll start to get lifeless again, and I just need to bring that oomph back. And these are the products that I used to do it. So Apogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor, available at your local beauty supply store. Same thing, Design Essentials, almond and avocado, I'm sorry, nourishing co-wash. So make sure that you get these products, try them out. They're going to help your hair a lot. Regardless of hair texture, these two products are going to bring the health back to your hair. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.